Many of you will be familiar with the filter exposure adjustment, dodge, and burn. The tool allows you to darken or lighten an area of your image using brushstrokes. Typically, one dodges areas that are too dark, or further dodges to reiterate already pre-existing bright areas of your image. Contrastingly, burn is typically used to brighten areas that are too dark, or to reiterate darker areas of an image. In ACDSee, they exist as destructive adjustments from the filter menu. That's this menu on the left-hand side right here. Destructiveness means that when I have made my changes and exited the image, my adjustments are finalized. Non-destructive adjustments can be altered or edited in future sessions. In edit mode, in ACDSee, we can use adjustment layers to create the same dodge and burn functionality, but rather with fully non-destructive layers. I'll show you how. Let's learn how to dodge first. Within the layer panel, add an exposure adjustment, though this could technically be done with levels or curves as well. I will right-click my exposure thumbnail. That's this white box in the center. This is also known as a mask. Set your mask to black from the drop-down list. A black mask will not apply the exposure effect unless instructed to. We will instruct this mask to apply this effect by brushing on where we want the image to be dodged. Click your exposure adjustment layer and use the blending mode box titled Normal to choose a dodge from the options that appear. Navigate to the brush tool. Ensure that your brush's foreground color is white. This white foreground color, when brushed on a mask, will instruct the mask to apply the dodge effect. Brush on your dodge highlights. These will be dramatic and garish at first, but note either the exposure adjustment settings themselves, located here, can be lowered, or the opacity adjustment slider can lessen the effect. Play around with both to get the right dodge settings. Burning works quite the same way. I'll add a second exposure adjustment using the adjustment layer options. I'll right-click again to set the mask black. I'll set the blend mode from normal to burn, and I'll brush using the white foreground color on my mask. Again, the opacity and exposure adjustment sliders can help us get the desired effect. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.